Saving for goals, your path to making dreams come true. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the magical journey of saving for goals, where you transform your dreams into tangible reality, step by step. Imagine having aspirations you're eager to achieve, whether it's an unforgettable vacation, that sleek new gadget, or even a place you can truly call home. Saving for goals is like granting your dreams a ticket to actualization by setting aside money with a clear purpose. Goals inject life with purpose. Saving for these goals crafts a tailored roadmap towards your ambitions. It's akin to declaring, "I'm steering my own destiny, charting a course towards the life I envision." Let's say you're plotting a dream vacation. Rather than waiting for an enormous sum to magically appear, you embark on the journey of saving by contributing regularly, even in small amounts. Envision this like assembling a complex puzzle. Each piece of the puzzle represents a fraction of money, and when they all fit together, your dream is realized. There's the thrill of achievement, as you witness your progress inching closer to your dream's realization. Moreover, there's the sense of empowerment that comes from managing your finances wisely and achieving your goals. Picture the tranquility in knowing that, should an unexpected expense arise, your dedicated funds for your dream remain untouched. Start with baby steps. Create a designated space for your dream fund, whether it's a separate bank account or a tangible envelope. Chart out a timeline, mapping out when you intend to accomplish your dream. Begin contributing regularly, even if it's just a modest sum. Gradually, these consistent contributions accumulate into a sum that mirrors the aspiration you're chasing. Saving for goals resembles nurturing seeds of ambition, watching them sprout into tangible reality. It's not about depriving yourself of life's pleasures, but rather discovering equilibrium between present enjoyment and future dreams. Whether it's an alluring getaway, a coveted possession, or any other aspiration, remember, every ounce of effort you invest propels you closer to your dreams. So begin your journey today, and let the magic of smart saving guide your dreams towards vibrant existence. If you enjoyed this video or feel like you have learned something new, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.